before it gets dry. Right?
They had those fix the candy.
Yeah. I like these ones too. That's funny. Orange ones, orange M&Ms are good in there. You eating another one? That didn't work very well. I saw this one at the store. Yeah. I didn't get this.
Watch out, Tessa, Tess.
Oh, Nanny,
Look at-
an orange M&M.
Look at Tessa.
Might be good.
She snuck one.
Yeah.
Can she have that candy that she just snuck? She's sneaking candy.
Candy? Oh, no, not that one. That one. The other ones are okay. The little flavors might not good either.
That's
Oh, be careful.
Little candy sneaker.
She's just like there.
Yeah.
Pick this one up?
Yeah.
Where do you want me to put it? I've never seen that. How about in the circle here?
Yeah.
No, you're very messy. You need another button. Well, here's a whole bunch of them right there. How do you want to do it? These are button candies.
No, those are circles. Those are button candies overnight.
This is cool because I think that's like snow. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, yeah?
European edition? Yeah.